The nasturtiums are amazing. They're really thick. I didn't realize they would spread out so much. I think every seed that volunteered came from last year's plants, I'm assuming. It's pretty cool. Get back here a little bit so you can see. And the really nice thing about nasturtium is it'll volunteer just about any place, and it makes any place look nice, and it really doesn't take a lot of water, and it doesn't take a lot of root space. It's pretty amazing. It doesn't really crowd things out. It didn't get really big until I cut back the squash and the tomatoes started going old. So anyway, I think nasturtium is a really good thing to put in the yard just to add a little beauty at the end of the season. See, these don't look great. They're gone, they're done. I cut most of them out. The nasturtium seeds are edible. I'll post some pictures of some nasturtium seeds. They have a radish flavor. They're real spicy. These are in a pot, so they're small. You can eat the flowers, you can eat the leaves. You can dry the leaves and the flowers and the seeds and crush them up and mix them with salt, and you can have nasturtium salt. It's really good on rice. I would say bland things because they have so much flavor. Anyway, you may enjoy nasturtiums, if not for their beauty, for their munching quality. Anyway, you have a wonderful day.